Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home, the Sticks. Hope everybody's having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. I'm here to tell you over here in East Central Mississippi, it's warm. It's in the high 70s, low 80s right now. Kind of odd, but that's okay. At least it's not raining yet, anyways. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. So what I want to share with you and y'all today is, I figured I'd give y'all a little fall garden update. So give me a second, that's what we finna do's. Dan, where you been for the last couple 3 days? Well, I'm here to tell you, I had to work last weekend. On the 17th was actually our annual Ham Jam Festival in Philadelphia, Mississippi. So I actually had to work Friday and Saturday. So let me show you what's growing on over here at the home place in the 8B garden. Let's check it out. We're gonna start off right here because I'm awfully proud of it. And that there is the horseradish. Starting to put on some leaves. Really excited about that. I got a bunch of comfrey growing over here, a bunch of it. And it is growing really nicely. All those cuttings that I bought online are growing real well. Here's my other horseradish root in this container. Nothing yet, but I figure it's gonna take a little while for this to bust the ground. And of course, my parsley is looking really good. Probably need to give them some water. Go take a look at the grow bags. Because Lord of mercy, this year I've really enjoyed gardening in grow bags. So let's check it out. There's the Peruvian cucumber. And I don't know if you can see it, but I actually have one coming on right there. Starting to send out the tendrils and get his climb on. We may not be too late. We may be able to get a couple of cucumbers off of this plant before it gets too cold. So we're gonna see. The maters are still looking good. I got some fruit set right here. Maybe you can see it right there. Looking good. And let's see, the collards. Collards are growing really well in these grow bags. Probably time to water them. May have to get these guys some water. But to answer my question, yes, collards do grow quite well in grow bags. Surprisingly enough, I have a few more volunteer mater plants. And these are gonna be yellow boys. I guess I need to stake these guys up because I have 1, 2, 3 of them that just popped up. So, may let these grow on and see what they do. There's a little hugel container bed. Everything is still growing good. Comfrey that I planted out is still growing. Our black Spanish radishes growing quite nicely. Can't wait to start harvesting these guys. Kale is looking really good. Probably gonna give it maybe another week or so. Kind of hoping that we get a little bit of cooler weather because of course kale loves the cool weather. So pretty excited about that as well. And it's still growing. There's the other collard plants. What are you doing, Hank? And I still have a ton of Aztec rainbow chilies still growing. Now, in my mission to get a bunch of comfrey growing over here, Sunday evening, I actually grabbed a shovel and let me show you what I did with one of the comfrey plants. So I'm really wanting to put a comfrey plant by every fruit tree that I have on the property. And this is a gold Nugget Loquat. Growing pretty good. It supposedly fruits during the fall months or towards the winter time. But this guy is growing. I have one here and I have one there. But I stuck a comfrey plant in the ground right next to it. So hopefully it will help it out and give it some NPK that it needs. So today's video is going to be relatively short. I just have a bunch of stuff that I got to try to get done today before the sun goes down. Normally the weekends or the days that I get a whole bunch of stuff done around here. But due to the Ham Jam Festival that went on, got a bunch of stuff I need to get done. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, and I hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis we still have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home of the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know what's coming. Dan referee sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on and be you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.